Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog. We've got a couple of questions I want to answer for people. Yes, the new book is almost ready. It's not just a image on a computer. It really is a paper thing. This is today is February 28th, 29th. This book is going to be on Amazon pretty soon, like March 15. It'll be available for pre-order much sooner on the Shoemakers Academy website. So see the link down below. Come and get yourself a copy. The paper, this is 72 pages. You can see it's a full-size book. Um, uh, the paper copy is 25 bucks and the download is 15. So get yours today. Okay. So in the book, we talk about, actually, let me change this view here. In the book, we talk about what the pattern, you're right. This is we're going to talk about the pattern that comes with the kit. Let me get rid of that. Sorry. Um, Here's the pattern that comes with the kit and the options that are available. What you can do with this. You see right here on page 3, we started to talk about that. So I'm going to set that aside, and I want to lay out the pieces just quickly to show you what's going on here. So first things first, the pattern has markings for high cut and low cut, right? So here's the high cut shoe, and this is the low cut shoe, right? Same pattern, just different adjustment here. You'll notice these two are different materials, right? Here's the quilted one, here's the leather one. And that gets to the next point I want to show you is that when you unpack your pattern, you're going to see lots of parts, and you're going to say, Wade, what are all these for? Okay, so you've got your side panel parts. That's easy to understand. Okay, um, this is the footbed lasting board part. Okay, easy. Um, Now you've got 4 different tongues, and you're like, Wade, what is the deal? Okay, so first we have the larger of the tongues, right? A little wider, a little longer. This is the tongue. If you're making a quilted sneaker, this is what you want, right? Because this is what makes you this one piece tongue that goes all the way from the tip to the top of your tongue, right? So that's what this one is. It's This is why this makes a one piece tongue. If you are going to make a leather shoe, then you're going to want to, it's up to you, use this 2-piece tongue. And this is what that 2-piece tongue looks like. So this piece makes the toe bumper, right? And it meets the smaller, right, of the 2 tongues here. And you'll notice the tongues are left and right because they are asymmetrical, right? So if you're making a quilted sneaker, set this one aside. You don't need it unless you want to get fancy and have a color break or something like that. But most folks using fabric just use the 1-piece tongue. If you're using leather, then you can use the 2-piece. That's it, folks. Hey, listen. If you want to learn more about how to make this stuff, then check out the book, How to Make Quilted Sneakers. It's available on Amazon or on the Shoemakers Academy website, and either print copy or download. If you purchase the book, download or on Amazon, um, you can download the pattern inside the book. There's a password. It takes you to a secret website, so you can download the pattern. If you want the plastic pattern, you got to come on over the website and you got to buy it. So, hey, folks, that is it, and I will see you very soon. Hey, listen, if you have any questions about making quilted sneakers or leather shoes, don't hesitate to ask me. Wade the Shoe Dog at shoemakersacademy.com, and we are here to help you make shoes.